Undoubtedly, the Porsche 911 holds immense significance with its iconic shape and rich racing heritage entrenched in over 50 years of history. This storied timeline has witnessed continuous evolution, making each generation distinct and exceptional. The Porsche 911 journey began in 1964, replacing the 356 and immediately setting itself apart with its sleek design and introduction of the air-cooled flat-six engine. The first generation, termed long hood cars, spanned two wheelbase variations, showcasing Porsche's commitment to enhancing driving dynamics. The 911 transformation took a significant turn in 1974 with the G Series, which introduced impact bumpers to comply with U.S. regulations. This era also saw the debut of the iconic 911 Turbo, marked by its striking whale-tail spoiler and wider rear fenders. The 964 generation brought substantial technical shifts, replacing torsion bars with McPherson struts and introducing all-wheel drive for the first time. Notably, the 964 became a canvas for companies like RWB and Singer, offering extreme fender flares and modern performance. In 1993, the air-cooled era culminated with the 993 generation, distinguished by smoother contours and advanced multi-link rear suspension. This generation also unveiled the high-performance GT2 model, cementing its collector's status. The turn of the century ushered in the 996, marked by a shift to water-cooled engines and a new rounded design. Despite initial skepticism, this generation eventually paved the way for acclaimed models like the GT3 and the powerful 911 Turbo. The classic round headlights returned with the 997, showcasing technological upgrades such as the elimination of the IMS bearing and the introduction of the PDK transmission. The GTS variant, embodying the wider bodywork, resonated with enthusiasts. In 2011, the 991 generation embraced electric power steering and reintroduced the manual transmission with the limited 911R model. Turbocharging became standard, with the GT3 model offering a manual option. The current chapter, the 992 generation, boasts broader fenders for all models and a distinct rear LED light bar. Turbocharging remains pervasive, while the GT3 impresses with a new double wishbone design for enhanced cornering grip, underscoring Porsche's dedication to innovation and driving excellence. In essence, the Porsche 911 remarkable journey showcases a legacy of innovation, design evolution, and driving prowess, culminating in the latest 992 generation's cutting-edge features and timeless charm.